Hello again, everybody out there in YouTube world. Bringing you something nice today. I've had one of these bad boys. I already did a video on. It's actually called the Timberwolf Extreme Traditional. I've done this video before. It was like one of my first ones I ever done. And I've used it a couple of times. And first of all, it's got a beautiful leather sheath. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the knife. It's got that really cool wood handle. This is a Timberwolf TW 527. 3CR13 steel, stainless. Got that black coating on it. What a hell of a spine on him. Full tang. Nice and heavy. Feels great in the hand. As I say, I've used it quite a few times and then I put it away because I got so many damn knives. But I just couldn't help but bring this back. Kind of like an update, I guess. Only because I've been walking around with this lately. Now he's a little smaller. This is 13 3/4 overall length. 13 3/4. Nice and heavy. This I wear as my horizontal carry. This is made in the USA, Portland to be more precise. This is the GERBER strong arm. And this is definitely a kick-ass knife. Lately I've been using it, walking the dogs, things like that. I use it as a horizontal carry. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's get rid of that. See that there. But anyway, it's got a mold compatible sheath. Really kick-ass knife. Really kick-ass. All right, excuse me. Okay. There's a point to this video. All right. I just picked up the Timberwolf Extreme Tactical knife with the G10 handle. This is TW 414. Not much difference between the tactical and the traditional. Both perform really well. This has G10 handle. This has wooden handles. Both have that black coating. Both have that 3CR13. Am I saying that correct? Yep, black coated stainless steel blades. TW 527, TW 414. Tactical, traditional. Both Bowie knives. G10 handle, wood handle. And both are extreme. Both are 13 3/4 inch long. All right. This little guy, he really does pack a punch for being a smaller knife. These guys, as I said, I've used this one, and I just got this one, and both full tang, both Timberwolf. But what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna do, well, wait a minute, hold on. The Timberwolves, these leather sheaths, I gotta go back to that again. These are high quality leather sheaths. I mean, they did not skimp on making these bad boys. Sort of reminds me of like what Buck would use, that type of leather. You can smell it. Really, really kick-ass knife sheaths. All right, so let's take a little walk, and we're just gonna do just a little water testing today. All right. The back has been killing me, guys, so bear with me. All right. Here's my tree again. You guys love that, don't you? All right. Time to get wet. Okay. All right. Should be in focus. Okay, here we go. Let's start with a Sprite. We're gonna use, you know what, let's do the little guys. Let's just have fun with these little guys. This is the Gerber, the strong arm. Again, mold compatible. This sheath comes with all sorts of ways you can carry. Horizontal, vertical, you can put it on your rucksack. Hell, strap it around your leg. And it's just really cool that they included all that. All right, I never really did these little guys before, but let's give it a whirl. It's probably just gonna go flying. All right. Okay. What'd I say? Went flying. Kind of hard to do that. But here's my traditional Timberwolf with the wooden handles. Yeah, I never used these little bottles before. So let's just give it a whirl here. Well, the other half went soaring. So we know what that can do. Let me do another little guy. I love when the dogs go sailing. All right. Once again. All right. The traditional. Now for the tactical. All right, let's go Sprite. Where's my bandana? Don't have my bandana. Handle's a little wet, but that's all right. Sometimes you're gonna need this when it's raining out there. Let's see what this can do here. Oh. Hello. Let's try the other side. Man, that almost went all the way across. Let's see here. I could do this all day. It's a lot of fun. All right, come on. Get your water bottles, guys. Come on. Look at that. Could not do that again if I tried. Thirsty, anyone? All right. Let's try the big boy. Okay, let's see. I said I wasn't going to use all these bottles, but what the hell. All right. I'm getting that. It's a good sound, isn't it? All right, one more with the traditional with the soaking wet handle. All right, it's hot out here today, so this is fine. All right, let's get a good one here, guys. Oh, yes. More damage to my back more than anything. But all right, there you have it. There you have it. These knives are badass. The strong arm is pretty damn popular. Get it for about 65, 60 if you're lucky. Made in the USA. Timberwolf, not sure where they're made. The 414, the TW 414, runs for about 40 bucks. Beautiful, heavy duty. Look at that freaking spine. And the traditional, tactical, traditional. I keep confusing myself. All right, this guy runs you about 40, 45 bucks. Highly recommend before they sell out of these. Good luck trying to find the tactical, but awesome. 3 of my new best friends. All right. All right. Now I got a mess to clean up. As always, advice that I need to give myself about being careful out there. Be careful out there.